We can all agree that wearing extensions give you life. Hi, my name is Emily, but you can call me Auntie M.
This is my model, Cece. Today I'm going to share with you a hair extension technique called Brazilian hand ties. In my professional opinion and my 36 years of experience, I've found that this technique is the safest to wear while allowing your hair to grow. And there's no glue, there's no bulky braids, and there is no threading or sewing involved. The first thing I like to do is corn roll the perimeter out the way, because we want to leave this perimeter out so that it will conceal the extensions when she wants to wear a ponytail or a bun. So now let's go over a few things that you're going to need. First, you're going to need a wax stick and 2 to 3 bundles of hair, some clips, scissors, a shield guard, elastic stretchy thread, clips, scissors, and a rat tail comb. Go ahead and part the hair, and then with the rat tail comb, create the zigzag part. The goal is to create 1/2 inch sections. Now we're going to apply some wax to the actual section and the hair that's pinned away so that it controls the amount of flyaways from entering your workspace. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to take that first section, I'm going to add a little wax to it, prepare it, twist it, put the guard on, clip it down, take about 1 inch of the hair, then cut 6 inches of the thread, pin the top down, and then place the thread underneath of your thumb and begin to wrap it around both the hair and the extension. The goal is to continue to wrap between 15 and 20 twirls, and then you want to create 4 knots at the top. Then I just cut off the excess weft and then move on to the next section. Another reason why I like to recommend the hand tie technique is because it looks and feels the most natural. It's super comfortable to wear, and when maintained properly can last 4 to 6 months. As you can see, I use 2 clips at the top to hold the weft in place so that as I'm twirling around, it holds everything in place and it's easier for me to wrap it tightly. Now I'm creating the 4 knots, and then I'm going to cut off the excess thread as well as the excess weft to leave a nice clean extension. Here's a closer view from a different angle. I'm pulling her actual hair tight so that I can get it as close to the scalp as I possibly can. If you're wondering why the extensions are a lot more auburn than her actual hair, it's because 2 reasons. Because she wanted that ombre look where it looked brighter at the bottom, and also because for the video I thought if there was a contrasting color it would be easier for you to see. So we're just going to snip off that thread and cut off and clean up the weft, and there you have it. There's the first row. So you're going to repeat the process by creating a zigzag part to create the second row, and then we're going to create the 3rd row and the 4th row and the 5th row. They're nice and stacked on top of each other. We call that brick lay, so that way there's movement in the hair. Now I'm just flat ironing the hair so that you can see what the extensions look like when you wear them straight, and also when you have them curled as a beach wave. You would just curl them individually or take 2 or 3 at a time. You would curl them and style them just as you would your own hair. So we're just doing some flat iron beach waves, just to give her that beautiful glam look. When you're using a flat iron to create soft beach waves, I like to explain the process to my clients. I basically put the flat iron in the direction I want the curl to go, and then I just twirl 1 or 2 times depending on how tight the curls she's asking for, and there you are. Beautiful, natural, blend it right into her hair. She loved it. Here's her Snapchat and her TikTok where she looks and feels amazing. For more transformations, please remember to like, follow, and share your Auntie Hem at Pink Shampoo.